Hi, good morning. I'm back. Uh, I'm back here at the truck that I'm working yesterday for the joystick problem that has an issue not giving us a power on the arm for the fork. So the driver come back. I thought yesterday I found the problem because I found water stuck on the connector, but that is not the problem. So we're pushing it up and trying to get rid of this truck as soon as possible. But we need to strip the wire because my problem is on the joystick, and the joystick got a J1939 signal wire that goes to the computer. So that's the problem that we're encountering here. So we're trying to see, as my friend here, my co-worker, is working with me. He's helping me uh, stripping the wire so I can find the problem on each of this wire. But we already know the problem is the signal wire. The signal wire, the J1939 wire that goes to the computer, is got an intermittent problem. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So we got a bad wire here. So we're trying to eliminate that problem. As you can see, all my wires out, and my J1939 wire is this yellow and green. The yellow and green, and this wire that is insulated, this is all signal wire. So we'll see if we can eliminate the problem. We can remove that bad wire, and if we cannot, the only main thing that I can do here is to order the harness for this garbage truck, the Heil truck. So we'll order the harness from the body, the back of the cab, to the body of the up to the module, computer module on the back. So if we can repair the wire, then it's much better for us because we can save a lot of money on that. And we're dealing with maybe around $3,000 or something like that. I don't know yet, but hope that we can figure out and we can repair the bad wire only, so that we will not change all of this wire. So stick with me and we'll see if we can repair this truck. If not, then we'll buy the new harness. Thank you.